Hello, good afternoon. Welcome everybody coming to my small workshop today. Today I will talk about my review on Forex, and this is a slide. Let me go back to the opening. Okay, today I will talk about market maker and market maker psychology, as well as price movement analysis as you see on the screen. I also will cover 1 minute chart. Today is Sunday. Thank you for coming. All right, let us start. Okay, so today I will talk about currency, and this is some slide I will go through with you later. But I would like to tell you the second module as well. Today I will cover the market maker. What is market maker and how the market maker will move the market, and from there a lot of people will tell me Forex market is very hard to trade because very high swing and a lot of news, this and that. So Mr. BT Lee, so what do you think about today good price to move on and so forth? How about cows? All right, so let us look at the Forex market. When we look at the M30 on the market, this is Euro at USD H1. So we look at H1. This price is run from June 12, 2014, and today is last Friday. So this is the movement. You see the market is moving from one angle, from 1.3528 until at the high of 1.37. So what is moving the market is market maker. They move the market step by step, stages to stages. So this is how the market. If you look at page 4, you can see there is a big drop over here. This big drop is very sharp, and a lot of traders lose money because this is a sharp breakdown and it is very sharp. Let's say you park your stop loss from 50 pips, 60 pips, it also will trigger. This fall is about 150 pips. So you can imagine how strong the fall. And if you buy at the top, there's no chance for you to do any recovery in short term. And now market is hovering about 1.360, and it will sideways. This is sideways market right now for maybe for a month or minimum 2 weeks, because market is looking for new directions, and this is how the market overall is talking about. Alright, so this is the market maker. So I also will cover other things later, but today now it's coming to conclusions. This is my basic advanced course that will conduct by end of this month, and as well as advanced course also will conduct on 20th of July, next Sunday to 22nd of July. So you can see this is a topic and subject that I will teach you about tactical hedging, live turning point, live setup, how to use thinking flow at a wall, and finally I will give you advanced calculations. A lot of traders, they have many problems in losing money. Like here, here got 11 points. Some of them they fear to lose, fear stop loss will trigger, no discipline to cut loss, no psychology strength, and finally they don't have proper or mechanical trading skill. So this will lead them to many obstacles and psychological problem or fear. So with the formula I provide in my advanced course, they can use that to control their entry price, exit price, as well as cut loss. So this is how is the layout for my advanced course, and you can see what you can expect from the advanced course. The advanced course, you can trade intraday, you can trade almost every 2 days. It's a mechanical steps, no need to read a lot of news. You need to stay on screen all the time. You can make money within 3 days as long as you can apply the formula correctly. You can retire, and finally this class also will teach you scalping techniques, where a lot of class you don't have this coverage. That's why many classes after you learn, They don't give you scalping technique as well as the formula. That's why you can see a lot of traders today, they not make consistent profits. They only can make profits sometimes, somewhere, somehow. So this is what I like to stress on to you. So my advanced course also have this advantage. You can work as a fund manager with me after you graduate from the class. Maybe because my advanced class is 2 years mentorship program, so you can see how students can benefit from that, and you can work as fund manager with us, or you can become our IB in Forex, or you can become our partner exploring Indonesia, China, as well as India. This is a strong point, and I will tell you how to become a success traders or fund manager in Forex market. The first step is cost of sales. Cost of sales is a cost where the market maker move from the low to the high. They buy. It's something like that. Let me show you. Let's say the market maker is moving from here. Let's say this is uptrend. Okay, so market maker will go buy, and buy. Let's say the cost of sales is 1.50. Okay, so the market maker will stay on higher and higher, and when they cross 1.5, this is the level they like to stay on. As a market maker, it's same like business person. If your cost of sales is 1.5, you can imagine the market maker will definitely not allow the cost of sales to break below 1.5. So as long as you can determine the cost of sales, you can able to know the market maker will keep above the 1.5, so you can buy the price at any price you can see above 1.5, 1.5, 0.20, 5040, 5050, any price from here, you can do a buy. And you can make money because you don't know where the high is. But with the formula I give to you later, or in my advanced class, you can see you can reach maybe 1.6 or 1.65. So this is how powerful is the Forex formula. So first step is you need to have a cost of sales. I will teach you 1 minute chart, price movement analysis, calculation formula, turning point, market psychology, understand of economy, and the rest, bad habit. And finally, my hope to you is able to retire with this skill. Forex is a big market. One day turnover is about $1 trillion. So you don't need to make so much money. Maybe you'll make $100 to $200 a day. It's good enough for you for a living, because I also teach online course to 51 countries, from Mongolia, China, Hong Kong, Dubai, India, Indonesia, down to Chile, Uruguay, as well as Mexico. So you can see we are teaching online course right now, but if you are from Malaysia, you can stay with us and come to Kuala Lumpur for the class. And finally, you can work with us. Let's say you want to become IB, let's say you want to become fund managers. But of course, your skill must be good, yeah. And for online course, my online course is not video recording. My online course is a Skype versions where I deal with you one-to-one. So it's a 3 days class, 2 days on live, because you can see second day and third day we start at afternoon Malaysian time. So this is the time where European market open. So we can definitely will capture the market in live trading situations, and we'll teach you how to handle the live market, where to enter, where to cut loss, where to take the profit. So this is 2 days. So my advanced course is a 3 days class. So Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And you cannot find all these syllabus out there, where a lot of teachers not able to teach you, because this module alone last time is only open for fund managers, but now I open to public after modifying certain high technical jargon. So it's open to public, and my hope of this course is, first, you able to trade for yourself. Secondly, you can make a living out of it. Third, you can become a fund manager and work with us together and exploring the market, because market is big. You don't need to depend on the market. Market is always there. Only thing is how you can benefit and how you can make profit from the market. a lot of people will also ask us about charting. When I trade forex, I don't need to use any technical analysis and candlestick, purely naked, just like that. So this is how powerful is the price movement analysis, because at the end of the day, this price movement analysis will determine the movement of the market, and finally I can use that combined with market maker psychology to determine whether the trade will be uptrend or downtrend, and when to enter to buy or sell, cut loss, as well as setting the profit target. So this is how my chart looking at, So at last, I would like to leave it to the all the participants today to decide whether you like to come to my class or you like to become an IB, work with fund managers. And thank you so much. And later I will have some interview with the people here, so you can see how good is our course, and you let me know. Afterward, I will come back to you to talk about any P&C questions. You can stay back and we will definitely deal with you shortly. So now, thank you so much, and enjoy yourself. I'll come back to you after 30 minutes. Enjoy your coffee first. Thank you so much, and stay on. Yes, how are you?
Yeah, okay.
Fine. All right, fine. So, what do you?
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Anderson Wong. I'm a forex fund manager, and currently we manage two funds. One is forex fund in Europe, and one is hedge fund in UK. Forex fund we cater for forex market, and hedge fund we cater for palm oil, for soya bean, for commodity, for forex, for gold, as well for silver. So we divide to two categories. Most of my time I stay in Malaysia, but I do teach online course to 51 countries. So this is who I am. Of course, my website I can write for you over here. Hold on, here. Maybe I go to the slide. Maybe you can take a look on my slide. Yeah. So it's too small, but never mind. I write for you. The website is www.forextradingcourse2u.com. It's a forextradingcourse2u.com. Okay, so you can find me there, as well as on bottom of the screens. So this is what I am. Sorry to tell you, I'm already 8 years in forex market. I already teach forex market for the last 8 years, and it's a good thing because we have a secret formula. We can generate a lot of good return, as well as the recruiting of the IB, retail, and our business also from Singapore, Hong Kong, China, and it's still a growing market. Thank you.
What courses are you providing?
I'm providing two courses. One is futures. We trade down futures, S&P 500, as well as forex. But it's purely on education, where we trade. We teach students this and this. But down futures is more suitable for retiring. They are slow and steady, and this is a bit volatile. So certain housewives, they prefer down compared to forex. So this is two classes that we have, and we also have our classes divide to basic class and advanced class. And just now I talked to the public on the two details. So advanced class is more suitable for serious traders, retiree, housewife, as well as fund managers, because I know a lot of fund managers not really making money because their skills not consistent, and they read too much of reports. So the report actually maneuver the market and lead them to very high risk situations. So that is why I introduced my course based on price movement analysis and market maker psychology, combined with 1 minute chart. So you can see we are teaching them a very high-end stuff and something new, something very highly result techniques in the market. Same thing with Dow futures. Dow futures as well as S&P 500. So they are easy to trade. To me, it's very, very easy to trade. All right. Any other things?
Why Dow futures course is so good and suitable for retiree and housewife? How about forex?
Okay, for Dow futures, why I so stretch on for housewife and retiree, because it's very slow. Maybe high and low of the day, the point about 60 point, sometimes as low as 40 point. So it's not very volatile market. So more easy to handle either on psychology term or on technical term. So forex a little bit more. If you trade Euro USD, you can see it's highly volatile. But if you trade about Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, Singapore dollar, is not highly volatile. So customer also can choose to trade forex with a lower volatile pair or just down. So as a beginner, for those customer or retiree, they don't like to have a high volatility market, down is definitely a good choice and easy to make money. Yes.
Why are so many traders out there lose money in futures and forex?
Yeah, I understand there's a lot of people lost money in futures and forex. First, they did not attend any proper educations. Secondly, there is no proper teacher to guide them step by step. It's a hand-on program. A lot of the course out there is just purely tips or just classes without any mentoring program. My program is a mentoring program where we have 1 year mentoring program as well as 2 years mentoring program, either for Dow and futures. So that's why you need to have a mentoring program to guide you step by step, because from my understanding, from my teaching history or past experience, a lot of traders, they have their individual problem. So you must zoom into their problem individually, settle with them, get them go through, and finally guide them step by step how to handle the market, especially live market. That's why on second and third day, we actually teach our students on live market. Same thing with Dow as well as forex. It's a live market, second day and third day. So customer really have a better confidence with the formula I given to them, I teach them, so they can handle the market more confidently, and the winning percentage can reach 70% to 80% along the line. So it will give a lot of confidence boost to the students. Thank you.
Why I heard that there are so many scams in forex? What happened?
Okay, come back to scam in forex. There are many scams in forex in China, in India, in Indonesia, where first they're not dealing with legalized broker. They only set up a website, tell them they are whatever for ABC or XYZ forex, and they go for marketing. So a lot of people believe them. They put in the money, they say they can return. It's just lip service, or it's just an empty promise. So a lot of people, because of the high return, maybe they're talking about 20-30% a month, but fixed income. You see, come to forex market, there is no so-called fixed income, because the market is volatile. If there is a true investment scheme, there definitely will have a volatility in the market. You can see the floating profit as well as floating loss. You can use your MT4 investor password to log in to monitor the progress anytime. If they don't give you the investor password, that means highly I can consider that is scam, because as an investor you got the right to know your account, because the account is registered under your name. Because as a fund manager, they only can manage your fund, but they cannot do withdrawal or take out your money, because they don't have the right and they don't have the access. So that's why a lot of people, because of the fixed income, 5% or 20% a month, they can promise you a lot of things, car, a lot of cash, a lot of gold bar. That's why a lot of people fall in the traps of the scam, and at last they lost the money, because first the broker is run away, the website is closed down, the money cannot come back. So when they come for withdrawal, the broker will tell them they have a problem with this, legality, come to the government, they are blocking access. All this is rubbish, because at the end of the day, the owner of the website, the owner of the scheme is running away. So there's no money to come back. So that's why I feel very sad to see a lot of people being cheated in the market. And finally, I can say 80% of the so-called scheme outside is not genuine, because we are running a genuine scheme in Asia Pacific. That's why our broker house is governed by FCA UK as well as European financial control. So every broker that we're dealing with, there must be controlled by big legislations like Australian, Hong Kong, Japan, as well as UK and Europe. So we cannot dealing with any small broker, and we don't know where they come from, right? Okay.
Yeah, we understand your course is very good for forex and futures. What is so good about your course? Can you explain more?
My course is very good. I can say first, we are mentorship program based. So a lot of students, you know, as a newbie to the market or newbie to the forex or as well as Dow futures, they have a lot of personal problems. That's why we have mentorship program to guide them step by step. So my basic class is 1 year mentorship, and advanced class is 2 years mentorship. So from here you can see we are really committed, because we spend a lot of time with the student, individual, guide them step by step. And the day I want to see them produce a good result. That result is self-speaking result, because I also know that all the students cannot have the same how to say background, same idea, and their cleverness also cannot be the same. So certain students, they take fast return, fast catch up with the skill, maybe between 3 to 6 months. For slower students, they have 6 months to a year. So the longest period that I have to finally qualify a student is 1 year. So in advanced class, I give you 2 years mentorship program. Actually is more than enough to handle your skill. So as long as you're committed, I welcome you to come back and join us for the advanced course wherever you are, because we can teach you on physical, on class, as well as we'll teach you online. So as long as you are committed, your housewife, you stay at home, maybe in a small town in Russia, because we have office in Petersburg and Moscow as well, so we can teach you online. There is no worry about that. Yeah.
What if a student like to enroll in your course, and what can they expect from you?
Very simple. They want to enroll to my course. First, they go to this website, forextradingcourse2u.com. Then they email to me, because there's a contact box over there. They can tell me they are interested. Then I guide them to the sign up course, the payment gateway, and they can download a lot of free stuff. And I also guide them to install the MP4, open the demo account with them. Then I'll give them some homework. So as and when we fix the online course as well as physical time in classroom, I will give them homework step by step, so they can expect. So it's quite a number of homework they can practice. First day is Sunday, so there's no market, but second day and third day is a live market, so they can practice and keep on learning from there until after the third day. They are not finished there. After third day, they go home and they practice with the demo account. Then from there, I will monitor the progress, make sure all the trade is carried out on based on formula calculations, and based the cut loss is there, the stop loss is there, the profit target is there, and finally I want to see the result, whether they follow closely to the formula I teach, or they do something else. So this is a mentorship program. I guide them step by step. So and I want to see a good result. Maybe they take a longer time, maybe 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. It's fair, it's good, because at the end of the day, after you qualify from this class, you can stand on your own foot. You can trade the forex on yourself, by yourself, and you can make a good income, maybe daily or monthly, about 2,000 to 3,000 or maybe more dollars. So it can supplement your current income, or it can become your full-time trading platform, and you don't need to depend on the job market to give you the income. Of course, that is why we give you hand-on program, mentorship program to guide you step by step. So that is what you can expect, because at the end of the day, as an advanced student, you can see this is what you can expect from the course, right? Okay, this one you can expect from the advanced course. You can do a range trading within every 2 days, mechanical trades, and make money within 3 days, and there's a lot more, and you can do a lot of cooperation with me as well. You see the benefit to attend my advanced course. You can work as a fund manager, you can work as an IB, you can explore with us in your continent. Let's say you come from Brazil, you can handle our Brazil client as well. So this is many advantage, because you not only become my student, I will treat my student as my business partner. Yes, next.
Okay, I know that you can manage forex funds in Singapore, Hong Kong, China, and India. Can you tell a little bit more?
Okay, we have a professional team with, I'm a head of fund managers, so my fund manager will manage their fund in Hong Kong, Singapore, China, India. So this fund all parked outside of in that country. So normally all parked in Europe and UK, but we manage the customer money, let's say the customer from Hong Kong. So the money is in Europe, but the customer from Hong Kong, so we manage the fund from here, so they can see the result. They can log into the MT4 with investor password, and they can take a look how the fund is performed, their individual account is performed, because we use a high-end system. So let's say we have 60 clients or 80 clients. So when we log in all the time. All the 60 customers log in same time. When we buy, all the 60 will buy. When we sell, all the 60 will sell. So it's a very fair game. It's not favoritism. So this is how we manage customer from fund. As I say, either your fund or the customers come from Hong Kong, China, Singapore, as well as India. All will manage equally the same. But because we have a few fund managers, so there might be a little bit on the return side. Maybe some of them perform 16%, some of them perform 18%, some of them perform 12%. So as long within the range, because we cannot give you any promise or give you any guarantee. But from the past record, our fund can perform easily between 5 to 10% a month. So let's say certain month is losses about 10%, 15%. So by next month or the third month, we will cover the loss for first month. So this is how the whole management. By end of the day, you should look at the yearly return. The yearly return can easily range from 60% to 100% or maybe more. So whatever more than what we promised is a bonus, right? So this is how, I cannot say we are very good, but we know what we are doing, and we can truly deliver the result that we mentioned to you. Thank you.
Okay. What is your return in Forex funds?
My Forex fund, just now I mentioned, our return is 5 to 10% a month, but not guaranteed, no document to sign. But based on the track record, this is the range that we have. And a lot of customers quite happy so far, because I know some of them expect 200%, 300% a year. But I tell them, no, I cannot deliver this result. For example, like June, our return is, let me come back here if there's a screen. Alright, let me go to the screen that I want. Go on. So you go to my website, www.forextradingcourse.eu. There's a lot of video. Then you go to the column called latest news and video. There's some video over here. Okay, then this is the profit result that we have for June, 27%. But I cannot promise you that, because we only tell you about 5 to 10%. Anything more than 10% is considered bonus. And last month our performance I consider very good, 27%. I'm happy about that. I told my client, that's it.
What would you like to tell to the world on Forex market?
Okay, Forex market is a very sexy market. The trading is about daily turnover about 1 to 2 trillion a day. no doubt about it. The market is always there, but if you serious about this market, first I would like to tell you, first you must attend a proper education class by us. Secondly, you must have a good broker, legislated broker, not say guarantee, but fully governed by UK like FCA and Europe Financial Council and so forth. And you might have a good broker, good education, good support team like us, either online or offline. Then you will start from demo account. So when your demo account is performing, let's say you dealing with 3 to 6 months after you after you think your skill is matured, so you can move to live account. So I can say Forex is a very good market. The market is there already, so you just learn, practice, get your skill intact, keep it up, then you can make your monthly return. You don't need to go back to the job. Of course, certain job is good, but you can use this income as a supplement income, second income, or your full-time income. So that's why in my class, some of them is uncle, auntie, retiring, more than 55 years old, 60 years old. Some of them housewife, 30 over years old, after married, they don't want to go to work, they like to trade from home. So I guide them step by step. So you can see a lot of people come out from my class, they can retire or semi-retire. So that's why Forex market is very good market. Let's say you don't like to trade Forex, you also can trade Dow Jones, you also can trade non-volatile currency pair like Aussie dollar, Singapore dollar, New Zealand dollar. So this will give you a lot of choice what to trade and how to trade. As long with a good education platform, education series and formula that we mentioned here, so I definitely confident you can achieve what you want within reasonable time frame, within 3 to 6 months or within a year. As long as you committed, we are here. You see, I cannot tell you how long we will be here, because education is to us is a very tough job, because it's a mentorship program where we need to back up you 1 year to 2 years after attending the class. So we will continue to do education until one day we feel it's enough, because our fund size currently about 6 to 8 million worldwide. Then if one day our fund size cross 100 million, we might stop teaching. This is our plan, because we, as I say, the objective of our training class is to recruit more fund managers in our team, because currently we have 2 fund managers. We like to increase to 6, but when the 6 is there, maybe we should stop teaching and continue with a bigger project. That's all, because everything got a timeline, and we hope to work within this timeline to the best we can to teach the people that we think they are serious. And of course, Forex market is one of the best choice available, because market is always there. You don't need to read a lot of news. So I would like to thank everybody for your coming today, and also thank you for your questions. I like to say Forex market is definitely a good choice, and with a good education platform like us and committed like us, I can ensure you will definitely success. As long as you are committed, we are here. Alright, at last, I would like to say thank you to everybody attend my class, attend my preview and workshops, and also thank you for asking me about this, a lot of questions. And who knows, one day we will work together, you know, and we will become a partner again in Forex trades. And I would like to see you again, definitely. And I say thank you to you, good health, and enjoy yourself. You know, either you join me or not, it's okay, because I'm very easy person. I don't think money is everything, but of course with the money that you have, you can do more things, more helpful, more charity, more good work, you know. But education is a must, and here I want to stress to you, Forex education is a must. Attend educations, and you must attend with the right team, right course, right formula, and right content and committed team. So here I say thank you to everybody, and thank you for all of you, and I wish you happy all the time. Thank you.